I'm back again in Royal Enfield showroom. So it's been almost 4 months. I'm coming back to Royal Enfield showroom. Okay, so let's do the formality. Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yogi Biker Sandeep. Hope you all doing really good today and very happy, very excited at last. So after waiting for 4 months, today I'm taking a delivery of my Meteor 350. There were some small changes in the model which I booked earlier and I didn't get that, so I got earlier, before that I got one more, so I'm just picking up that. So I'm taking a Steller Red. So how it looks, how the vehicle is and the delivery process, so it's going to happen now. So thanks for support, do watch the complete video and subscribe to my channel and do share with all your friends. See you all soon. So very happy day and very excited on today's 10th of March. I'm supposed to get this bike on my birthday, that was on 1st March. Why there was no vlog for all this while? Because of the same reason. I was just waiting for my bike to come. So after that I just want to start vlogging. So till then I just want to kind of pause myself. It's recording. Till then I just want to take kind of a pause from the vlogging, and now I'm going to start. So soon we are doing a long trip, and before that we are going for a 4 days trip, but not on a bike, but on a different kind of excursion, I can say. So surely I'll make one vlog about that, and about the bike thing, surely a lot of videos will come up soon, so wait for it. So enjoy this bike delivery. Okay, now the bike delivery is over, the bike is ready. Me and Kay is taking a ride home and you all in a GoPro setup.
Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on it. You know when they click through. Try to send this possibility. Yo, be fine.